From 5 lakh per annum salary to 50 lakh per annum salary, the SAP SD salary journey nobody maps out. Going from 5 lakhs to 50 lakh in SAP SD is possible. That's what my last round salary. But nobody tells you how it actually happens. You only see before salary, after salary, but you don't see the middle. I'll tell you that. This is AmanbhAI, a brother like mentor. That's why my students call me AmanbhAI. With 16 plus years of SAP experience, I have watched the journey happening many times. Today, I'll map it clearly, step by step. Every strong consultant started exactly here: support role, basic configurations, ticket handling. At this stage, you are learning the system, you are building confidence, right? You are making mistakes. Salary is really modest here: 4 lakhs to 6 lakhs per annum. Some strong freshers may get 8 lakhs to 10 lakhs. But this stage is not about money, it's about building that foundation. If you rush here, you struggle later. Now, next stage is now where the growth begins. You start handling complex pricing issues, tricky logistics processes, integration topics, client discussions. Now, your thinking matters here. Companies start trusting you, salaries jumps into 12 to 20 lakhs range here. But here is most important: many people get comfortable at this stage. They stop upgrading and growth slows down. If you want to reach 50 lakh per annum salary at a later stage, you must push beyond comfort at this stage. Now you are not just solving tickets, you are designing the solutions, right? Leading small teams, handling implementations, advising businesses. You are moving from executor to decision maker. Now salary enters into 20 to 30 lakh band. If you get into S4HANA projects, migrations, value increases faster, but responsibility also increases. After 18, 16 plus years of watching careers, I can tell you clearly the jump from 20 lakh to 30 lakhs is not a technical growth, it's a mindset growth. If this roadmap is helping you seeing long-term picture, subscribe to my channel now, because here we plan careers, not just courses. Now look at the senior zone. This is where few people reach. Why? Because here you must take ownership, handle client pressure, make architectural decisions, guide juniors. Now your value is not configurations, it is judgment. Consultant at this stage with S4HANA expertise, cross module knowledge, leadership ability can cross 30 to 50 lakhs. Top 10% even get higher than this. At this stage is built on previous stages. You cannot jump directly, right? So 5 lakhs to 50 lakhs is real, but it is not a shortcut. It is a structured climb, right? I have spent 16 plus years watching consultants grow, and the ones who succeed are not the fastest. They are the most consistent ones. If you want to grow in your career, if you want to understand how to move stage by stage, subscribe to my channel now, because we will help. I'll keep mapping this journey clearly, step by step, with no hype, only structured approach. Stay tuned for more videos on how to build your strong career in SAP. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.